Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Gmail SMTP server. So first is first, just go to your email, go to your account or tap on manage account, and then here you have to go to the search icon or search bar and then search for app password. So basically this one should be the app password. And what you're going to do next is you have to enter the password to make sure that it's you who just logged into your account. Once you have added your password, and then you need to add an application name right here. So for example, we're going to create one. The name is SMTP. Now, once you tap on the create, you should see the password right here. Now, as much as possible, do not let other people know your password or see your password. You have to hide this one. Now go to SMTP test tool, and then here you have to follow what I'm going to type. For example, for this one, you have to add smtp@gmail.com, but actually some of the things here are not working. So if this one didn't work, then you have to choose from any of the email below. For port 465 for security SSL, here you can add your email address or you can use auto username. And then here you're going to copy this and then paste it to the password. And then email address, you can use your other email address or we can set this one right here. Once done, tap on test it and wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. Now, here's the thing. Maybe you will see some errors. All you need to do is to change it like from the SMTP server, port, security, then tap on test it. It may take a few attempts, but all you need to do is to just keep on tapping this test it. Once successful, you should receive that test email here on your Gmail. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.